Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've showed up here on YouTube, so I decided to do this get ready with me, and I'm gonna give you guys a life update. There has been a lot going on right now, so I thought why not sit down, do some makeup. I have all of my favorite makeup products over here, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys and give you guys a life update. So before we begin with the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please make sure that you guys hit that red subscribe button for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. I'm literally filming after more than a week now, and it's been long. Like, I miss filming. Even if I don't film for YouTube, I at least film for Instagram every alternate day, and I haven't been doing that. By the way, I'm just tying my hair behind. So yes, I'm filming after more than a week now, and I've missed filming so much. I'll tell you guys where I've been all this while. I mean, it's not been very long, but it feels like it's been long because I just missed filming so much. I'm not gonna be talking a lot about the products that I'm using. I'm just using my favorite products. Like, all of these are my favorites. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Yeah, I've already moisturized my face. I'm just gonna continue with a primer, and I'm using this Wet n Wild primer serum. Yeah, primer serum, and I'm priming my face. So by the way, I was really sick for the past 5 to 6 days. Like, I felt sick, nothing too serious. It was nothing very serious. Every year my tonsils come back, and yeah, that's what happened. Since the past week, I've just been taking some time off so that I can recover, and today I'm actually feeling a lot more better. I know my voice has changed a little bit because I'm not 100% recovered, but I just missed filming so much, so I thought I should just sit down and film a video because I can finally talk. Till yesterday my throat was hurting so bad that I couldn't even talk, so I was just waiting for my recovery so that I can talk. Next, I'm using these two K-Beauty foundations. I'm gonna link the shades in the description box below. So yeah, as I was saying, I felt sick 5 to 6 days ago, and I got myself tested and everything. I got a few tests done, not the COVID test, but everything was fine. So yeah, I just knew it's my tonsils only. Also, you guys don't know about this major life update. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know. I actually want to make a separate video on this topic, but I felt sick on the very important day, and I couldn't film that video. So yeah, I just thought I'll talk about it in today's video. So I have started my own jewelry brand. Yes, you heard me right. It happened 5 to 6 days ago. I think we launched 5 to 6 days ago, and I want to make a separate video about the launch, and I want to show you guys all the jewelry pieces. But I felt sick on that very day, like literally on the day of our launch. You see, the morning mein I felt sick and I couldn't film the video. I thought that मैं launch के दिन ही video film करूँगी, and I'll edit it and I'll upload it on that very day so that I can share it with you guys. Like, how can I not share this thing with my YouTube fam? You guys have been a part of my life since the past 4 years, I guess, and I thought I really need to make a separate video about it and share it with you guys, but unfortunately I felt sick. So coming back to the brand, I've started this jewelry brand with my cousin sister Shreya Solanki. She's a fashion blogger herself, and her name is Amore Rose Blog. Like, her Instagram handle is Amore Rose Blog. I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description box down below. So the name of our brand is The Bling Type. If you guys have watched the show The Bold Type, you know where the name is coming from. Yeah, I think we got done watching 3 seasons that time when we decided that we can name the brand The Bling Type. Shreya, by the way, came up with that name, and we absolutely fell in love. And we have really affordable, accessible jewelry. Obviously, all the jewelry pieces that I'm wearing right now are from my own brand. This is a Ruth necklace. This is the Megan earrings, and this is our Amelia bracelet. We have really beautiful, delicate, minimal jewelry pieces. We also have some statement pieces. You guys can follow our page. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below. We have really modern, affordable jewelry pieces, especially affordable because we wanted everyone to get their hands on it, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think about it in the description box below. Do follow our page and also show some love. We literally started 5 days ago and I was dying to film a video and share it with you guys, but I just couldn't even speak because my throat was hurting so bad, and today finally that I can talk about it, I feel so relieved. I'm gonna share some other jewelry pieces also by the end of the video, so you guys should definitely stay tuned to watch that. By the way, I'm also using a lot of new makeup that I didn't get to try out properly yet. So yeah, this is something which is new. It's the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. This one is in the shade 03. I thought it's gonna be a little more darker when I ordered this a couple of weeks ago, but it is actually so light, and you guys know I never do under eye highlighting, but I'm still just giving it a try. I have tried this concealer before also, so but अब तक properly test नहीं किया है how it wears and everything, so I'm doing that today. So coming back to the bling type, we have a lot of evil eye pieces, and you guys can see literally all of the pieces that I'm wearing right now, they all are evil eye. They're so beautiful and we just love it. If you're someone who loves minimal jewelry, you're gonna love most of our pieces. I'm just gonna set my under eyes using the Fit Me loose powder, and I've never shared this with you guys, but I've always wanted to start my own brand. Not specifically jewelry, but just anything. I just always wanted to start my own brand, and that has been a plan since the past couple of years. And I remember me and Shreya, we both have been planning to start our own brand together since last year, I guess. But kabhi lockdown ho jata hai, kabhi lift ho jata hai, and it just keeps happening, so we didn't really get a chance to launch our brand in like a more grand way. But jo bhi hai, it's something that makes us so happy, and we were planning on something really big this year itself, but वो cancel नहीं हो गया, it just got postponed, and we were so sad about it. And then we just decided to start our jewelry brand, and we're so happy with it. We both love jewelry a lot. You guys must have always seen me wearing tiny dainty pieces, and that's what I love. I think I've been into minimal jewelry since the past 1 year. I have literally like segregated all of my dainty minimal pieces, like all those classic hoop earrings and everything, and all of my other old jewelry pieces. Like I remember buying a lot of silver jewelry as well in the past when I was younger, but now I just don't like it. I'm just gonna bronze my face using the Lakme Moonlit highlighter. I used to use this so much in the past. I think this was the first highlighter slash bronzer that I had. This is not essentially like a bronzer, but you can use this like a shimmer bronzer, and I remember I used to have this 3-4 years back, and मेरे पास सिर्फ एक यही highlighter and bronzer था, and I used it. I still have that particular one. I've also hit pan on the bronzer side. So yeah, this is such a nice sun-kissed bronzer. And yeah, that's all that has been going on in my life right now, and it was just so overwhelming. The kind of response that we got on Instagram was crazy. The kind of messages that we received, so many people congratulated us, so many people followed our page, and so many people left like the sweetest messages saying that they were so happy for us, and it really made our day. I just realized that I was gonna use a liquid blush today, but I'm done with all the powder products now. I'll just have to use a powder blush. I'm using the Sugar Face palette in the shade Subtle Summit. Really like this blush. Literally at the time when I felt sick, I had so many videos planned for you guys. I also filmed one YouTube video जो मुझे edit करने का time ही नहीं मिला because I fell sick and I just didn't have the energy to sit down and edit that video. I filmed a clothing haul for you guys, a छोटा सा clothing haul that I filmed before I fell sick, and yeah, I think that's probably gonna go up next on my channel after this video. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna use the two Lakme eyeshadow palettes that I have, starting off with the Pink Paradise. Also, I'm working with so many amazing brands. You guys are gonna see that on my Instagram for sure, and also on my YouTube. I'm also now affiliated with Dr. Sheth. It's an amazing Indian skincare brand. I'm currently trying a few of their products out and I cannot wait to review them. You guys will see it on my Instagram as well as YouTube pe bhi thoda bahut I'll review it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. There are a lot of other brands that I'm gonna work with. I cannot really disclose it now, but you guys will see it on my Instagram and I'm just so excited. I'm so grateful. I'm just gonna do a very chill makeup look today, nothing very experimental. I've been doing so many experimental makeup looks since last month, I guess, on my Instagram, and I absolutely enjoy doing that. I think last year I started doing a lot of experimental looks, and this year somehow I just took a seat back and I just stopped putting up a lot of experimental looks, and I just missed doing that so much. I used to enjoy it so much, so I decided to start that again on my Instagram, and I've been enjoying it so much. I just love doing experimental looks. I have another new makeup product that I haven't tried yet. It's the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade, okay, I can't see the name of the shade, it's in the shade 04, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I want to go for a very glittery look today, because everything is so like warm and neutral, and this is like a very cool toned sparkle. I think I'm just gonna apply my e.l.f. monochromatic multi stick all over my eyelids. I absolutely love this product. This e.l.f. stick looks so pretty on my eyelids. I've never used this all over my eyelids. Like a shimmer eyeshadow. It's not too shimmery, it just looks so dewy and so beautiful. I'm loving it. So we're on the last step, which is lipstick, and I have these two Maybelline ke mini size lipsticks. These are not like mini lipsticks, but ye sachets mein hai, and these are the Sensational Liquid Matte Lipsticks. I received these in PR and I haven't tried them yet. I'm not sure if any of these shades would match my makeup look today. I think this one will. This one is in the shade Strip It Off, and these are really interesting. Ye sachet mein hai, but it has a doe foot applicator. I've never seen something like this before. Okay, this is literally not matching my eye look. I'll have to take this off. So I'm using the other shade, which is Best Babe, and this one is more on the pinkier side. Okay, I'm not liking the lip color with this whole look that's going on. It just looks very off. I'm just gonna use my most favorite liquid lipstick, which is by Lakme. It's the Matte Melt Mini in the shade Brown Souvenir. So this is the final makeup look. I love how the eyes turned out today. I think it looks so pretty. And yes, as I promised, I'm gonna share some of our really beautiful jewelry pieces from our collection. I have it right here with me. Oh yes, you guys have already seen these three pieces. I'm obsessed with them. They're so pretty, and so this is something that we launched yesterday only, and it's one of my favorite jewelry pieces from our collection, and it's our Oprah necklace. This is how it looks like, and it has the prettiest charms. It's so pretty. I'm gonna wear it and show it to you guys. This is how the Oprah necklace looks like. Isn't it so pretty? It is so unique. I've never seen something like this. It like instantly reminds me of a tropical vacation because it has such like summery charms, like the pineapple and the palm tree and everything. It is so cute. You guys should definitely get your hands on this one specially. Then another favorite piece of mine is our Maya necklace. It is again so pretty. This is how the Maya necklace looks like. It is a 2-layered necklace and it is so pretty. I really love this one. Another really cute piece that we have is this Eleanor bracelet. It's again something that people loved a lot. It's half pearl and half gold chain, and it has some really cute charms. As I said, we have a lot of evil eye pieces. Like, you will see evil eye charms in every jewelry piece mostly. And yes, this is how Eleanor looks like. By the way, if you guys haven't noticed yet, we've named all of the jewelry pieces after inspiring women, and yes, we just love it. Then we have really stunning statement earrings, and these are the Frida earrings. It's something that will definitely make a statement, and this paired with a white shirt is just everything. This is how it looks like. So that's it. I've shared a few jewelry pieces with you guys. You guys can watch the rest of our collection on our Instagram page. We also have some other earrings, watch charms, bracelets and everything. You guys can go ahead and check it on Instagram. And yeah, I'm so sure that you guys are gonna love it. I'm so excited for this new venture, and I really want you guys to be a part of it too. Do shower some love on this small business of ours. And yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed watching today's video. I've done this sit down makeup look after a really long time, and I feel so happy today and so content after filming a YouTube video. So yes, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.